First of all, looking at these vectors, if you see that the FA vector plus the FB vector plus the FC vector equals the 0 vector, this means point F. The centroid of triangle ABC. This is a condition we need to reflect on. This FB vector plus the FC vector should equal how many times F? Which vector? The FB vector plus FC vector. This follows the parallelogram law. For 2D, it's twice the FD vector. So we get the FA vector plus twice the FD vector. The FD vector equals the 0 vector, which means we get the FA vector. Then equals negative twice the FD vector. So the FA vector should equal twice the DF vector. In this case, where does the FA vector point? It points this way, right? And the DF vector points the same way, so they should be codirectional, just like in the figure, right? Good, so in this case, if you set it as K, then it's 2K. So we know about the centroid, right? Well, the centroid always divides the medians in a 2-to-1 ratio. Is this true for any triangle, or only for certain triangles? This is true for any triangle, so now we can understand point F is the centroid of triangle ABC. If we place the centroid in a rectangular coordinate system, it will have a coordinate formula. In a rectangular coordinate system, the centroid of triangle ABC is point F. Okay, so in this case, A is x1, y1. What about B? It's x2, y2, right? So we have the coordinates of the points, and C is x3, y. So what are the coordinates of the centroid F? It's 1/3 times x1 plus x2 plus x, and 1/3 times y1 plus y2 plus y. Good, so now we understand the FA vector. So what should it actually equal? If we set point A to be x1, then it equals x1 plus 2 divided by p. The FA vector should actually be equal to the distortion mirror. x1 plus 2 divided by p, we know what p equals. P equals 2 because this position is 2p. This part is 2px and p equals 2. So 2 divided by p equals 1, no problem. Then this part should be x1 plus 1. Then we apply the same logic. There will be the modulus of the FB vector. It equals x2 plus 1. This part is the modulus of the FC vector. It equals x3 plus 1. So after we add all of these together, this FA vector plus FB vector plus FC vector, okay, it should equal x1 plus x2 plus x plus 3 divided by 1 plus 3. Okay, so what does this equal? The answer is 3 plus 3. It equals 6. So the answer to this question is 6.